Right, everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed my Heljan Kestrel review. I'll be honest, I did make a small mistake in it. When I talked about the head codes, I said it was between King's Cross and Edinburgh. It's not. It's actually King's Cross and Newcastle. So, sorry about that. Just thought I'd rectify that before I went any further. Right, I'm going to do the sound for you. The sound is by Howes. To be honest, it's the company I get most of my decoders from, as I think that they are the best sound. They do a really, really fantastic job of simulating the sound. Even if it's something like this, which is actually classed as a generic decoder. So what they'll do is they'll put together recordings of different locomotives to match the sound of the real one that they'll have on file somewhere. And when they've not been able to record it, they'll just put what they can together, which I think is a really good thing. And they don't just do this, they do all the other Heljan prototypes, DP2, Falcon, Lion, I'm sure there was another one, can't remember it right now. So I'm not going to talk through the video. What I'm going to do, in the bottom corner, just here, here, I'm actually going to put up the function numbers, F and number, so you can see what function I'm using. The model has 15 functions in all. But I'll only do functions 1 through 10. But in the description below I will be putting full list of the functions. So, here we go. Okay, then that's functions 1 through 10. I'm actually going to shut the locomotive down now. Oh, and that's the static sound. I will start it up again in a second and show you what it sounds like when it's running. Basic view of the decoder. There is a bit of a hiss to it, but apart from that it sounds really good. Anyway, start her up again and I'll show you it running. And of course, you're only just going to see the wheels moving. The locomotive may oscillate slightly. I'm going to take it up to speed step 7 of 14, which is about where I normally run it. And here we go. There it is at speed step 7. Yes, it's incredibly loud, this decoder. Absolutely deafening. And just so you know, that's a 23mm speaker. That's not a bass enhanced one. It is that loud. Anyway, I'll bring it back down again. And bring it to a stop. So as you can see or hear, the decoder is extremely loud. There is a bit of a hiss to it, but overall it works pretty well. I mean, it runs smoothly. The volume is, like I say, is fantastic, so you'll hear it no matter where you are on your layout. So it's definitely worth a buy if you've got this model. The house decoders, I think, are £117.50 each. So they are expensive, but they're definitely worth it, especially when you've got the quality of this thing. I like to say, to come from a generic decoder, I think that's absolutely fantastic. Just shut it down. And that's a run of the sound for Heljan Kestrel. It's a fantastic model. The sound from house is absolutely brilliant. Overall, even though I said the model was 9 out of 10, with the sound it becomes 10 out of 10. It's an unbelievable machine to have. So if you can get your hands on it, like I say, it's rare to find it now. Few shops will have it, and the Hattons have got one for £150 second hand. So it just shows you the value of these things. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the review. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later.